Hey guys, so I'm super excited because today we're taking a look inside of this box with DJI Mavic Air with the Fly More combo. First thing to know is that it comes with 3 different colors. You can pick Arctic White, Flame Red or Onyx Black. This one right here is in the Arctic White. Inside of the box we can find a travel bag which comes really handy when you're on the move. It fits your drone, your controller, your spare batteries and all the stuff that you might need on the go. We'll take a look at that in more detail in a second. Another thing, inside is your drone in a lovely pouch which keeps it safe from getting damaged. And then this little box, I don't believe it actually comes out. It holds the propeller guards. There we go. I probably won't be using them, to be honest. We'll put them to the side for now. And a bunch of manuals. Now, I normally don't read manuals, however, this time I think I will actually spend time and study those. Okay, now let's look in more detail into this travel pouch. Inside of it, we'll find yet another box. It seems like there's some spare accessories inside. Okay, so inside we have 2 sets of spare propellers if you break them. This is the adapter for your batteries, so you can turn any of your batteries into a power bank. Spare set of the joysticks, really cool. This is just standard USB-C cable to charge your controller or connect to your drone. And this is a bag with some spare cables connecting your controller with your phone. As standard it comes with Apple, I believe, mine did anyways, so I had to change it to the USB to connect to my phone. Put it to the side and that's it, nothing else in this box. Let's take a look deeper in the travel pouch. So we have 2 spare batteries. They all nicely put away in separate compartments, which we'll take a look in a second. So the Fly More combo comes with 3 batteries. There's 2 in the pouch and 1 is actually on the drone. Okay. Now this little thing is your charging hub, also part of the Fly More combo, doesn't come in the standard one. What's really nice about it is that you can charge up to 4 batteries simultaneously, and this thing is actually so clever. It knows the temperature of the battery, it knows how much juice is in each battery, and it will start charging the one with the least amount of energy in it, and then move on to the next one, until it charges all of them and switches off. Really cool thing. Saves you lots of time, especially if you're on the move and you forget to connect your, change your batteries for charging, and then you end up with only 1. Another thing, put away in your travel pouch is the charger. So the charger connects to the charging hub, just like this. Then you unfold it. And then we've got 2 USB ports right here, so you can charge your controller simultaneously and, I don't know, probably another device if you'd like to. I'm running out of the space on the table already and there's still more to come. Okay, so this is just a cable that goes into your socket. Last but not least, from the travel pouch. Now this is actually really cool because this controller is so well designed. Now what I mean by this, if you take a look inside, if you unfold these arms that are holding your phone, you'll see that the joysticks are actually stored away right here. So when you're on the move, the joysticks aren't in the way and you're not scared that you're going to break them. And then when you're ready to fly, you just screw them in like this. And the second one, unfold your antennas and attach your phone. Like I said, I would change the cable to the USB-C to match my phone. We're going to put that in now just to show you how this looks like with the phone in. If you just started doing your research, the phone will act as a monitor for the drone. Okay, and this is how it looks like with the phone in. Okay, so this is where you're going to see all your flight information and also the video stream from the drone's camera, so you can fly it without actually looking at the drone. Now, having said that, bear in mind that there is some regulations that you have to obey by, and in most countries you have to keep visual line of sight of your drone, so to keep it safe and, you know, not to fly into anyone and not to cause any accidents. Put it to the side and we'll take a look at the star of the day, the drone itself. So before we take a look inside, it's worth mentioning that it comes in a really cool pouch that you can easily put in your bag, and I feel like it's really sturdy, so I would feel pretty safe putting this in my suitcase. Are you ready? That was holy sound, you know, like when they take out something holy and they like hold it up. Don't worry about it. Okay, so it's pretty tiny, as you can see. Now let's take something to compare the size to so you can see better. I'm going to use my phone. Put them side by side. Take a look at this. It's tiny. It's amazing when you're on the go. Look at that. Basically the size of my phone. Well, 3 phones when you put it sideways. But if you look at it like this, they're basically identical. Really cool. You can easily put it in your pocket if you'd like to. Okay, let's unfold it. There we go. And this is the gimbal protector. As the name would suggest, it protects your gimbal from getting damaged on the go. There we go. DJI Mavic Air. Okay, let's talk about some specs now. So this little thing comes with a 4K camera that's capable of shooting 30 frames per second, and if you step down to 1080p, you can even shoot 120 frames per second. Now, in terms of the distance, DJI claims it to be 2.5 miles, which is very impressive, considering the fact that this thing flies on enhanced Wi-Fi signal. Now, you get the option between the 2.4G and 5.8, which we will discuss in another video. Right guys, we covered everything for today. In my next video, we will be looking at the setup and how to fly it. So if this is something you're interested in, be sure to subscribe. See you next time.